The gravy, I'm telling you. Mmm. It's so rich. It's so delicious. I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful cube steak with tomato gravy after this presentation. This is wonderful, y'all. This is wonderful. And well, the meat is not very expensive because it's a cube steak. And it tastes marvelous. The Sandra want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. And get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net and go over there in case you missed some recipes and you want to try. The Sandra wants to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is a Southern classic. It's cube steak. I like cube steak with red gravy. Yes, I do. So when I'm going to show you how to do this cube steak, what they do, they put it in a tenderizer. You got tenderizer in there. You got the tenderizer's little teeth to make them real tender. So what I'm going to show you how to do is what you get. First thing you get is black pepper. Black pepper goes all over the steak. Now, if you like it heavy, you can use that ground black pepper. I love a ground black pepper, but I don't feel like looking for it, so it's in my spice rack. And so I'm just going to use black pepper. Black pepper, heavy black pepper, because I love heavy black pepper. I'm going to turn it over and put black pepper all over this side, too. As I'm doing this, I have butter in the pan, so we can sear these with butter. I love this kind of steak. It's almost like a delicacy with mashed potatoes and everything. Oh yes, tastes good. Now we're going to do salt. Now you could use onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you like. You can use that. But I'm just using the basic. I'm just using black pepper and salt. Okay. Now what we're going to do now is add flour. Put the flour around real good. Just like this. Something about the flour give it a little crust. Make it taste wonderful. You don't have to have it all over. Just a little around. Just like this. Like that. Okay? Just like that. Okay? And then we're going to add it to this pan with the butter. Like that. And let it get brown. Come back over there and let it get brown. Clean our mess up and we'll be right back. Alright, as you can tell, our cube steaks are done. Okay, what we're going to do is saute the bell pepper and the onions and the garlic in the pan. The pan that we had the cube steak in. What we're going to do is saute this just like this, and we'll be right back. Okay? Alright, what we're going to do now is add some tomato paste. You know, I'm a big fan of tomato paste because it just does so much goodness to a dish. We're just going to blend all this together with the onions and the bell pepper and the garlic. Blend all that together just like this, y'all. Make sure it's blended pretty well. We're going to add our steaks back inside. So what we're going to do is put some broth, beef broth. We're going to add beef broth to it. Just like this before we put our steaks back in there. We're going to let this get incorporated and we're going to put our steaks back in there. We'll be right back, y'all. So I put our steaks in there and incorporate this together because this smells wonderful. Now, like I always tell you, put any season you want in your dessert. In your dish. Now, it's up to you what you want to put in your dish. If you have that taste, you put that taste for that in there. Now right here, what I like is just this red gravy with this steak. And you can put Worcestershire sauce in if you want, you know, whatever you like and desire. Right now, we're going to get this up and boil and we'll be right back. Okay, as you see, we have a creamy red sauce. So what we're going to do is add our steaks back in. We're going to add our steaks back in, just like this, y'all. Add them back in. And we're going to let this sauce boil down. And we'll be right back and let you see what it does in 15 minutes. It's going to take about 15 minutes for it to boil down to get that little sauce. We'll be right back, y'all. Just cover them up like this. And I'm not making a lot because I'll be the one eating all this. So I'm just doing a little for you so you can show you how to do these. Be right back. About 15 minutes. All right, now you see how thick the gravy done got. Ooh, you know this is where it's supposed to be, y'all. Just like this. Look at that. See that? That's what you're looking for. That tenderness. That gravy underneath there. So you're gonna let all the liquids cook down to a gravy. Look at that thick gravy, y'all. Look at that. That thick gravy right there. That's what you're looking for. Be right back. All right, our gravy is ready. And our steaks are ready. Look at that. I have a fork in there, y'all, because I want to turn them over. But look at that. This is what you're looking for. You look for the gravy to look thick like that to go over those steaks. The steaks are tender because you let the gravy, let the liquid turn into a gravy. You know, you thought you had too much too much liquid? No. You had just enough gravy to boil down to this rich, thick gravy. We're going to serve it and let you see what it looks like.